Davido no fit pay Chioma's bride price. Nollywood actor Uche Maduagwu drags Davido about his relationship with Chioma. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. How are you all doing? If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to Gist with Jenny's TV. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. With that, anytime I put up a new video, you will be notified. So my people, I'm back again with the latest gist coming from the decks of Uche Maduagwu. And this time around is about Davido and Chioma. This guy called Uche Maduagwu. Well, if you don't know him, he's a Nollywood actor. Yeah, he's a very popular Nollywood actor. And he has been on Davido's neck. Like seriously, guys. The reason why he hasn't paid Chioma's bride price, like he has been pressurizing Davido over Chioma since after the rumor breakup that went online between Davido and Chioma. You know, the rumor that have been going viral on social media saying that they are no longer in a relationship. So since then, this guy has carried this thing on his head like gala seller. Like seriously, guys, he has been dragging Davido every blessed day about this issue, asking David, telling Davido why didn't he marry Chioma upon everything, like upon all the showcase that he has showed up with Chioma. Like after showing Chioma off to everyone, he ended up not marrying Chioma. Like guys, he's not just happy about it. Uche Maduagwu is not happy with the fact that Davido did not marry Chioma. So recently he called Davido out about Chioma. In fact, anything that Davido does on his social media platform, like any event that Davido has or anything that is trending about Davido, Uche Maduagwu will surely see it as an opportunity to call Davido out. So recently he posted this thing you are seeing right now on your screen on his Instagram page. And what he wrote on his Instagram page, he questioned Davido the reason why he did not pay Chioma's bride price. He also said if he can buy a t-shirt of £5,000, so why can't he pay Chioma's bride price and get married to her legally? So guys, I'm going to be reading according to what he posted on his Instagram page. So Uche Maduagwu took to his verified Instagram page and wrote, David, so you fit pay £5,000 for one t-shirt, but no fit pay Chioma bride price. What happens to 250 million disbursement to audio charity 18th and 19th and audio press release this December? So the post continued, stop all this small picking behavior. You post videos of paying £5,000 to Zlatan Abba looking shirts, but now come you no fit post the names and exact amount you promise to give each charity from the 250 million naira you beggy on social media. According to your laughable advert, you claim 18th and 19th day of December 2021 na disbursement day. So guys, I think he's trying to refer to this charity fund that David was able to raise during his birthday. You know, David promised to give charity 250 million naira, of which he has already said that on the 19th and 18th day of December is going to be the disbursement day. And he also called out the names of the people that are going to help him in giving them the names of people that are going to help in sharing the money, in disbursing the money to the legal orphanage and all of that, those people that are meant to take the money and everything. So right now this day has passed and Davido hasn't said anything about it. Okay, so that is why he called out Davido again, telling him that has he forgotten that he said he's going to so time, how come he's not doing it, and how come he's not doing it? That means that it's not true, that it is audio, that all those things that he said are not true. You know, he has been accusing Davido of all these things, that Davido is beggy, or that he doesn't have money, or blah 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 blah, that everything is just for the gram and all of that, that all those money he he raised that are not true, that they are false, that if they are true, then why can't he come out give people updates about the money and the how people that have gotten the money so far, just update on how everything is going, that he hasn't come out to tell people about it. He also went ahead to question Davido about his relationship with Chioma, saying that he should have married Chioma, that he's not meant to leave Chioma, that Chioma is the person that blessed him with all the success, all the successful things that he has gotten today, that Chioma is meant for him, that if he doesn't marry Chioma, that he will never smell Grammy Award, that he has to marry Chioma for him to win that Grammy Award. My people, this Uche Madagu deserves small beating. I swear, honestly, this guy needs to be handled. This guy needs to be handled a bit, because the way he's just, saying stuffs about Davido is just too much. He also said, in fact, he made it known to Davido that if he did not marry Chioma, that he's not going to smell Grammy Award. And, he said a lot of things about Davido being fake, not being real, that all these things that he has been doing is just for the gram. And again, that his relationship with Chioma, that if he doesn't go back and marry Chioma like he promised her, that is not going to go well with him, that he must marry Chioma if at all he wants to be successful. My people, how wanna see this matter? How do you guys see all these things that Uche Madagu has been saying about Davido and Chioma? He is really on Davido's neck. I swear, he is really on Davido's neck. Me self, I don't tire for the whole matter. And people are not just happy about it, because anytime he mentions Davido's name, people are just shunning him, saying lots of things to him, yabbing him, telling him to go and rest. As in, hey, in fact, I'm tired of this guy, honestly. I'm just tired of him. What do you guys think about this Uche Madagu's behavior towards Davido and Chioma? The way he talks about Davido. And see, true, I think Davido and Chioma, they are still together. If you should ask me, they are still together, but they just want to be on a low key. He wants Davido to